Now to do a perfect circle in Procreate, what they have is what they call a quick shape. To activate quick shape when you draw with your finger or with the pencil, very easy. Okay, I'll show you now. Draw a circle, okay, then hold. Now that is now a perfect ellipse, but we want a circle, didn't we? There's a pop-up button up here in the middle of the screen right here. Okay, now you can edit the shape, okay, of this. Okay, you can edit the shape, so ellipse, then draw that, change it to whatever you want, move it around. To move around, just use your finger, just move around. Very simple, one finger movement, change it again. Okay, that will do me. That is how you do a circle, draw a circle, a perfect circle. So you activate quick select. Okay, let's try that again, new canvas. Okay, now circle. Okay, usually I can do this perfect circle. Somehow this doesn't show up. It doesn't look like an egg to me. Okay, that's not a perfect circle. Okay, that's it. That's roughly done.